Welcome to the Paycheck Project. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.
Okay, we've all gotten one, right? Probably stuffed inside a birthday card. That little piece of plastic we usually think of as a nice but kinda last-minute gift. But what if I told you it's actually a secret weapon for your wallet? Yeah, one of the most underrated financial tools you can own.
So that's really the core question we're tackling. We're going to look way past the gift card as just a simple present, and instead uncover its hidden potential as a powerful tool for strategic saving and budgeting. Get ready to completely rethink that piece of plastic you've got sitting in your wallet.
To really understand its power today, we have to look back a little. The whole idea of prepaid value didn't just pop up overnight. Its history shows this really interesting evolution from a simple little token to the sophisticated budgeting tool it's become.
So the gift card's evolution was really driven by necessity. It started way back in 1888 as just paper certificates. By the 70s, McDonald's made them a holiday staple. You probably remember those. But the real game changer? That came in 1994 when Blockbuster, remember them, introduced the plastic card to fight fraud. Then Starbucks brilliantly tied it to their loyalty program, and by the 2010s it went fully digital. It literally transformed from a simple voucher into a digital wallet essential.
So, why does all this history matter for your budget today? Well, because the real power of a gift card isn't just about getting a discount, it's about psychology. It actually fundamentally changes how your brain processes spending.
Let's look at it this way. On one side, you've got the credit card brain. Swiping a credit card feels abstract, right? It's future money, which makes those little impulse buys way too easy. But on the other side, you've got the gift card brain. This feels like tangible cash with a very clear limit. Once it's gone, it's gone. And the impact is huge. Studies show people spend 12 to 18% less when they're using a prepaid card. That is a massive difference.
And then there's this other thing called the found money effect. When a gift card is a gift, we feel a lot less guilty splurging on luxuries we wouldn't normally buy. But here's the cool part. What if we could flip that psychology? We can intentionally harness that feeling for our planned, essential spending and turn a splurge mentality into a powerful tool for discipline.
Okay, this is where the theory becomes practice. We're going to use a simple but really powerful strategy I call the digital envelope system. Just think of it as the modern version of stashing cash in envelopes for different expenses, but, way more convenient. It's a super simple three-step process. First, analyze your spending. Find the leaks in your budget. Is it groceries, coffee, gas? Second, set a firm budget for that category. Say $400 a month for groceries. Finally, at the start of the month, you buy a $400 gift card for that specific store. That's your entire budget. When that card is empty, you stop spending. It's a simple but incredibly effective physical or digital barrier against overspending.
All right, once you've mastered the basics of budgeting with gift cards, it's time to level up. This is where you go from just being a simple saver to a truly strategic shopper by learning how to stack your deals.
Discount stacking is basically the art of layering multiple savings in a single purchase. You're not just using one discount, you're building a whole tower of them. Let me show you how it works in practice. Let's break it down. Say an item costs $100, but it's on sale for 20% off. That brings it down to $80. Now, instead of paying with cash or credit, you use a gift card that you previously bought at a 10% discount. So to pay that $80 bill, you only need to use $80 of value from your gift card. But that $80 in value only cost you $72 to buy in the first place. You've stacked the savings, and you just paid $72 for a $100 item. Pretty cool, right?
And you can create these stacks everywhere. Look for grocery stores that offer bonus fuel points on gift card purchases. Use online cashback portals like Rakuten to buy them and get a percentage back. Pay for them with a rewards credit card to earn points on the purchase itself, or just head to a wholesale club where gift cards are often sold in bundles at a big discount. The possibilities are huge.
But listen, stacking is only half the battle. To truly maximize your value, you need to know when to buy these gift cards. Timing is absolutely everything, because retailers offer the best deals during very specific promotional periods.
So you might want to mark your calendars. Key times include National Gift Card Week in December, obviously Black Friday, and seasonal promos like back to school. Even the post-holiday sales in January are a great time to find some deep discounts. Strategically timing your bulk gift card purchases around these events can easily save you hundreds of dollars throughout the year.
And this whole strategy is only getting easier.
The industry is shifting fast to digital cards that just live in your mobile wallet. This means you get them instantly, there's a lot less plastic waste, and they integrate seamlessly into your daily financial habits. It just makes these budgeting tactics more convenient than ever before.
So you see, the gift card is so much more than a simple present. It's a tool for financial discipline, it's a key to unlocking some really deep discounts, and it's a way to take active control of your budget. The secret weapon has been hiding in your wallet this whole time.